Hello, this is Peter from First Maths. Today we're going to be looking at division as repeated subtraction. Resources. Demonstration number line. Mental learning objective. I can count forwards and backwards in 9s and 12s. Mental learning task. We're going to start by practicing counting with 9s and 12s. Count in 9s with your teacher to over 100 and count back to your start number starting with 9. Pause the video until you have completed this activity. Count in 9s with your teacher to over 120 and count back to your start number starting with 12. Pause the video until you have completed this activity. Count back in 9s from 0 starting from 180. Pause the video and count back. Was counting in 9s easy? You can quickly add 10 and take off 1. Counting in 12s is also easy. You can quickly add 10 and 2. The numbers are always even. Count in 12s with your teacher to over 100 and count back to your start number, starting with 9. So this time, the answers will be always odd. Pause the video and complete the task. Count in 12s with your teacher to over 120 and count back to your start number, starting with 12. Pause the video and complete the activity. Count back in 12s to 0 starting from 240. Pause the video and complete the activity. The mental learning objective was, I can count forwards and backwards in 9s and 12s. Main learning objective, I can understand division is repeated subtraction. I know 2 methods of repeated subtraction. The key idea today is I can discuss methods using repeated subtraction. Main learning task. This lesson will look at the way division can be seen as repeated subtraction. You will be developing an efficient method of division of 3-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers. 360 divided by 8 equals what? We can think of 360 divided by 8 as how many 8s in 360? We could find the answer by repeatedly subtracting 8. This would take a long time and it's not very accurate because you may make a mistake. How could we make it faster? Pause the video and discuss it with your teacher. And while you're here, you could also work out what a rough answer might be. 360 divided by 8. We could work with chunks of 8, such as 8, 10 times 8, 5 times 8, or 20 times 8. Let's first roughly estimate what the answer might be. Pause the video and discuss with your teacher. There are 2 ways we could solve this problem. 360 divided by 8 equals. So we take 360 and we could take off 10 lots of 8, which is 80, which would make 280. We could take off another 10 lot of 8, which is another 80, which would make 200. Take off another 10 lot of 8, which would make 120. Take off another 10 lot of 8, which would make 40. Take off 5 lots of 8, and we have nothing more to take off. 4 times 10 lots of 8 and 5 lots of 8 all together makes 45. So this is one way we could divide. There is a second, faster way to solve this. 360 divided by 8. 360, we could take off 20 lots of 8, which is 200. We could take off another 20 lots of 8, another 160, which makes 40. And we take off 5 lots of 8, which means nothing more to take off. 20 plus 20 plus 5 lots of 8. That makes 45 lots of 8. 360 divided by 8 equals 45. Main learning task. Now try and solve these sums using repeated subtractions. Pause the video and answer the questions. Simplification. Some children will feel happier with smaller steps and a longer calculation. Encourage children to work at the level they understand, but encourage discussion about the efficiency of different chunks. Main learning objective. I can understand division is repeated subtraction. I know 2 methods of repeated subtraction. How did you solve 351 divided by 9? Compare short and long methods and discuss the method most students preferred. Pause the video and discuss. Review of the key idea. I can discuss methods using repeated subtraction. Did you learn this today? Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like below. Also, please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell to be informed every time I upload a maths resource. I look forward to seeing you again shortly. Bye!